Hello everyone, my name is Shikhar and in this video I am going to show you how to create an assembly product in Ari. First, let us understand what assembly product is. An assembly product is a product that is bundled up to two or more products into a package and then sold. For example, a computer set. A computer set might be sold in a store with components like CPU, mouse, monitor, or keyboard of same or different brands. These assembly products do not have stock of their own. Their stock is dependent on their component stock. So from cards, I will navigate to product and here I will create a assembly product. So we'll take an example of computer set. Unit, category, electronics, and I will select assembly from the drop down in product type. I will enter guarantee days, valid return day, let's say 30, and I will also enter some images. Now characteristics are not needed, so I will simply uncheck the is mandatory box here, and in this tab product kit assembly detail I will enter the necessary details here. Say first one is Bluetooth mouse, second one we have a keyboard, third one is monitor, and fourth one we have CPU. For each of these individual products, we have to enter the quantities as well. So I will enter 1 for each. And now I will save this. So before saving this, I will go to item barcode detail and I will add a barcode associated with this. And let's say the barcode is 56789 and 45. Now we have entered all the necessary details and now I will be able to click on save. So in this video we have understand how to create the assembly product in Ari. And in the next video we will understand the usage of assembly product in transactions. So thank you.